This man can fix any car. No matter how bad the crash is. He can bring the car back to life. Like this old Peugeot 307, for example. The back corner of this car has been utterly destroyed, but our mechanic gets to work on fixing it. He uses machines to reset the frame of the car and to pull out the worst of the damage. He then starts to cut away all of the car that's beyond repair. Once that's done, he begins welding the new body parts to the old car. And before you know it, the Peugeot 307 breathes new life.